How to overclock your monitor's refresh rate in Nvidia graphics cards. So as you can see, I have the AOC 1970W 60Hz 18.5-inch monitor. The resolution is 1366 into 768 and I am using Nvidia's GeForce GTX 1650 Super. All you need to do is right click over here and select Nvidia control panel. Click on it. Now here you will find the monitor model number. Now below that you'll see the resolution of your monitor. Now go to the Customize tab. Now go to the Create Custom Resolution tab. Here you will find the refresh rate bracket Hertz, and here by default your value will be 60 Hz. You will have to test out the frame rates maximum supported for your display. For now, I will use the 65 Hz value. Now click on Test button. The screen will flicker after that for a second. Yeah, here you can see the message came out, test successful, custom resolution 1366 into 768 at the rate 65 Hz 32-bit has been applied. Click on yes. Now click on OK and close this tab. Now you need to go to the settings menu. In here, go to the System tab. Now, here you will find Advanced Display Settings. Click on it. Now, as you can see, the default refresh rate is 59 right now. Click on Display Adapter Properties. Go to the Monitor tab. Here you will find the screen refresh rate by default 60 Hz. Click on it. Click on 65 Hz. Select Apply. Select Keep Changes. Your screen will go off and go on for a second. Yeah, nicely done. Now you can see the refresh rate stating in here is 65 Hz. Your screen refresh rate has successfully overclocked. By following this procedure, you can even overclock your monitor display by testing out step by step up to 75 Hz. Thanks for watching.